Hello guys, today I want to show you how to track USA visa online. So what you're supposed to do, you are supposed to check the status of your USA visa, and you'll be required to click on this website where they have written Consular Electronic Application Center, and this I'll be able to tap here so that you can be able to understand what I'm trying to mean. So a page like this will be available for you to choose the category in which you belong. Now here you can see there are two categories. There's non-immigrant and then immigrant. Immigrant are US citizens, so non-immigrant are those who want to go to USA maybe for work, visit, and many other ways in which they will be back to their respective countries. So here if you applied for DS 160 online, or you apply for DS 1648, what you're supposed to do is you'll come here to check my visa application. Just tap on that, check my visa application, and a page like this again will be available for you. And in this case, they have said that select a location, which means you have to select the country in which you applied for your visa online. And I'm trying to look for my country so that I'll be able to illustrate to you more about this. Like I have past universities here, so I have to put in here in this field the application ID or the case number. So from there you'll be required to enter the code as shown, like this code, the one which is in the boxes here. So you have to enter this box, the code there, and what you'll be required to do is to submit. And once you submit, the status of your visa will be revealed. So that is just as simple as that. In case you have any question about this, please don't hesitate to put in a comment section. But guys, I request you subscribe to my channel for more video updates. See you in the next video.